Hey guys, today we're going to be putting the Tesla to the extreme test. We're going to be performing the cul-de-sac parking and we're going to be seeing if the Tesla autopilot can do this. Now the cul-de-sac parking is pretty difficult for even humans to do it. Now let's see if the Tesla autopilot can park as well in this difficult conditions. So as you can see, I have marked the parking spot right over here. I made a box. And from the inside, you can see that the Tesla picks up this parking spot. And now we can press start. And I have my drone view from above as well. So let's get started. Okay, so the autopilot has started. And let's see how well it parks. I'm a little nervous if it hits any of the cars, but let's see. Okay, so it's trying to maneuver back. Now this is very difficult because cul-de-sac parking alone is very hard to do, but between two cars is much even more harder. So let's see if it will actually do it or not. So okay, so I brought the car horizontally like that, perpendicular. Ooh. Okay, it backed up all the way into the curb. Then it's now trying to straighten the car. Okay, reversing again. Okay, almost got it. One more time. Okay, so I think the final stretch now. And oh, nice, it has parked, so it is perfectly parallel to the curb. Thank you, Tesla. Thank you, Elon Musk, for this amazing auto parking feature. Now, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to drop a like and also subscribe down below. I'll see you guys next time with another video.